Guys, there's a crack in the bad guy's curtain, and we're going through. Come on, let's go!
Now listen, Harry, it's not that hard.
No, it seems pretty hard to me.
Well, that's because you're untrained, Harry. When I'm done with my training course for you, you'll be an expert.
Oh, I'd like to see that cookie.
Don't worry, my friend, you soon will. Now, there's much to tend to. Okay, Harry, here's your first test. I'm gonna pretend to be a customer. Ahem. Greetings, sir. How are you doing today?
No, BV equals NRT. No,
Harry, I know you were once a renowned science teacher, but this isn't chemistry class. This is time.
No, restart.
Exactly. Let's take it from the top. Ahem. Ahem. Good afternoon, sir. Could I please get a Big Mac? Or perhaps I could get a Whopper. Oh, wait, that's the other restaurant.
No, how about you grow up and make up your mind, you damn indecisive fool? No.
Oh, sir,
Oh, what?
you've lost a customer, sir. I'm not paying you my tax dollars to treat me like this. Goodbye.
No. I guess I failed. Oh, no.
Let's see if this fool knows how to run the drive-thru. Ahem. I'll have a number 1, please.
No, how about you grow up?
Excuse me, sir. I would like a value meal. Extra fries.
No, back in my day, we got what we were served, you ungrateful piece of...
Harry, you're failing! Ah! Ah! What's taking you so long, Harry? I laid out everything on the table for you to put to...
No.
Thank you for my food, sir.
Oh, how dare you?
How dare I? How dare I what?
Oh, you know what you did. Goodbye. Peekaboo.
He may never learn. Mr. Big, what's taking us so long? Well, you see, Commander, the equipment here is kind of hard to operate with such a small crew, and I don't want excuses, Big. I want results. Ah! 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 Why do I surround myself with fools? Even a robot would be smarter than them. Perhaps my next scheme will include AI. Ah! Okay, guys, is everyone here? Great. Okay, now remember, we're looking for incriminating evidence. Incriminating evidence, Blue. It means we need to find dirt on the bad guys. Oh, gotcha. Split up. Me, Blue, Patrick, Alex, Teddy, Rebecca, Shannon, Mikey, Jason. Well, I hate you, Jason. You're alone. Move out. Hello? Ah! Okay, clearly no one's in here. Let's go. I don't believe it. You're scared. I just want to go. Come on. Fine. Oh, wow, McDonald's. I'm hungry.
Faster. pay attention.
Why?
I don't know why. I'm just saying, keep your eyes in your head, not in your stomach.
Jeez, Patrick, lay off.
Yeah. Fine.
No, but seriously, why are we at this place? Well, I was just thinking, after a long, hard day, a sandwich might be pretty good. You don't have to yell. I'm sorry, I just... Okay, who wants to go in and get the food? Ah, yes, Jason. Excellent choice. Now get in there. Now. I thought we were looking for the terrorists. We are, but we're having dinner right now. Oh, got it.
I don't know. Now listen, boys. I'm paying you too well.
Not.
Too well?
Come on, man. Get with the times. Join the union.
I'll say the only union you should be concerned about is the one between your heads and your shoulders.
You, make your point quite vividly, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, Big, what's that kid doing?
Hey! What kid?
Hey, God! Excuse me, I sent my stupid friend in here about 10 minutes ago. Can I please get a Fortnite battle pass? Hello? Can I pick my order number? I want to be 6'7". Do you have skibbity fries? I'm feeling kind of brain rot today. Yeah.
Oh, boys, get that little twerp.
Yes, sir, Big.
Yep.
Get him!
Why? Oh. Hey!
Wait!
Okay, kid, what you doing here? Kids don't usually wander around these places.
Yeah, what are you doing here?
Yeah, I'll ask you nicely. I'm trying to get a food. A meal. I'm hungry. Ernie, I told you not to talk the commander into disguising a terrorist weapons base as a freaking McDonald's.
I'm sorry, I was hungry. I'm a big back.
Ah! Look, kid, I'm gonna level with you. Leave now. Don't tell anyone anything about this place and we won't kill you. Wow, the bad guys have a McDonald's? What a great paper project. No, no, no!
You better run, boy.
5, 4, 3. What am I counting down for?
Counting down your brain cells. Okay, it's clear. They're gone. Hey, Jason, forget the food. I'm ready to go. Wait, I'm gonna grab a cookie real quick for the road.
That won't be necessary, my gluttonous friend.
Speak of the devil.
You two are coming with me now.
Who says so?
The bird! Of course he's not here, so he has an empty threat status, but... Oh, never mind! Blast them! Yeah, right. Apprehensive them. That's apprehend, Mr. Big. Oh, right. Come on. You two boys will make fine specimens at our tournament.
Tournament? I don't play sports.
A sport can be many things, Timothy.
How do you know my name?
Don't worry about it, my friend. Don't worry about it at all. Come on, get them onto the cargo ship. Quickly, Bird will be pleased.
Yeah. Wow.
Bird, retreat! Back to base! Immediately! Perfect. Great.
Yeah.
Let's go! Hey, boss. Yes, Big? Those kids. What do we do if they wake up back there? They're tied up. They can't escape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bird!